This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home for sale in Santa Maria. This has title. Neighboring house here. Turn around, and this does have a shared driveway, deeded shared driveway. However, down below there would be a place to make a small driveway. Nicely tiled. Two bedrooms with French doors to the porch. Beautiful bathroom. Really nicely tiled. Double sink. Laundry area, storage. The other bedroom with the French doors. And the kitchen area with custom cabinets. Good appliances, nicely tiled. And a bunch of beautiful star fruit.